I prepared this one for you. Share. Okay. Okay, good. Now it's working, okay? Now we can start. So we are in our math now. So is your book ready? Your Master Math Skills book, get ready, okay? Then get ready your Master Math Skills book then. Okay, then? Okay, now let us start. Okay, our topic is, you have to open your book first before we go. You have to open your book to page number 1. It's going to answer this one, okay? Mark X over the correct number that tells how many, okay? Number 1. We are now in page number 1, okay? So let's go to this. I want you first to listen to this one, okay? Let's keep practice singing a song. Makes it fun, makes it fun. Morning, Mas.
ฮาริสนั่งดี
Good morning, Mas.
ๆฮาริส
Okay, now let us start.
ชื่อน้องแก้มอันนี้แก้ม
ตั้งใจเรียนป้าจะมีขนมแจกอีกลองหัดเขียนดิ
ตรงนี้มัน
Stop sharing. Okay, stop sharing.
ไม่ใช่
Come with this. Okay, can you sign? Bye bye. I'm happy to see you. Hello.
ฮาริส
I think on that I will share.
ดู
ติ้วอินเทอร์เน็
Okay,
ต
do this.
เข้าสวีก็ได้เข้าประโยชน์ก็ได้
อันนี้เราหัดเขียนข้อควายก่อน
ชิบชิบชิบชิบ
Oh.
ชิบ
ทำออกลำโพงฮาริสไม่เคยสนใจเป็นที่การ์ตูนดู
Good.
น่าดูเนี่ย
น้องแก้มเขาต้องเปิด
ภาษาอังกฤษด่ามันได้เพราะว่าแกไม่รู้เรื่อง
Let's go to my PowerPoint.
นี่
ใช้ปราบเด็กดื้อ
เอาไว้ออกไปโอ้ยนี่เอาไว้ออกไปดูเชื่อ
Why not accept?
ได้มือเนี่ยชี้
Why cannot accept? What's the problem?
เนี่ยไม่เอามาไปเก็บซะ
Okay, just a minute.
โอ้ยตีแมงวันมันกวนตีน
อินเทอร์เน็ตเสีย
I am really sorry I cannot get in. I don't know what's on. Okay, I will go now. Let us go now to our topic. Okay, let us go now to our topic. Okay, let us go now to our topic. Come on. Come on. Okay, hold please. Okay, so let us go now. Let us continue now to our topic. Open your book now. So we have here, look at the screen.
0
Okay, we look at the screen. So we have two different kind of balls here. Okay. We have two different kind of balls. We are using this kind of ball for basketball. Are you playing basketball?
ออกก่อนเดี๋ยวไปปาก
And football? We have two different kind of balls in here. I'm showing you this one. Okay, just so you need to count. Look at your.
แต่ดูสิ
Okay, look at your book now. Look at your book now.
ครูบอกห้ามกินมูลเทียม
What is over the number that tells how many? Look at this one. We have two different kind of balls here. We have this kind of balls. Okay, we are using this one for basketball, and you have to count how many balls you can see here in the screen. Put this one down. And you have to answer. You have to mark X the correct answer. Okay. You have to mark X the correct answer. So can you help me count? Help me count this ball. Okay, this orange ball. 1, 2, 3, count, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 5 orange ball here. Okay, we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need to choose the number in here. We have 3 different number here to choose the correct answer. Okay, we have here 3.
อร่อย
We have here is 3 correct?
ครับ
So 3 is not correct, right? So we have here 5. So I think this is correct. So you need to mark X the correct number, okay? Look at here in the book. You have to do the same. You have to mark X the correct number. So I will mark X the number 5 because number 5 is the correct answer, right? You have to mark X the correct answer. Are you answering your book?
ทอถุงเป็นไหม
And
คะ
now
เขียนทอ
let's
ถุ
go
ง
to example number 2. We have this kind of ball. We are using this ball for football. Okay. So we have this white and black color ball. So we need to count this, how many ball, this kind of ball, how many we have in here. Okay. First, in order for us to know, we need to count. Okay. Count 1. You need to count.
พี่ไหนดู
Count.
โอ้
Count. 3. Yes. 3. 4.
ทั้งหมดเท่าไหร่
We have 4. For this one, this kind of ball, we have 4 this kind of ball.
ไหนอ่ะไหน
So you need to choose where is the number 4 here. Where is the number 4 here? So we have here 1. We have 3 choices here. We have here 1. We have 6, and this is the number 4. So you need to search mark X the correct number, just like that. Okay, it's exactly the same in your book. Now let's go to we have to count all of this, right?
อย่าไปเรียนให้
So we count all of this ball we need to count. Okay, so we we need to put all the two balls together, and I will give you a choices here. Okay, still three numbers that you can choose the correct amount of these two balls. Correct number of all these balls. So you
กับเรือใบรวมทั้ง
so we can know the answer. We need to count, okay? We need to count. Okay, let us count now. 1, 2, count all the balls.
หัวเล็กๆก็ได้ลูก หัวอันนี้มันหัวตัวเล็กไหม
4, Nisha, look at here, Shane.
เป็นไร
5,
ไหนไหน
6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9. All the total of this ball is 9.
โต
So what is the number 9 here in the three choices?
หัว
What
เล็
is
ก
the number 9? You know already the number 9, right?
ตัวนี้เหรอแล้วสี่
Okay, so we have here number 4. And what number is this? Next to number 8, number 4. And this is the number 9. So the number 9 is the correct answer. So if you know already the correct answer, all you have to do is to mark X like that.
ตัวนี้เหรอเลขสี่
Okay?
All you ยังไม่ได้
do is to mark the total amount of
นี่ไงกด
objects.
เจ็ดเนี่ย
Okay, this is the total amount of
เลขอัน
objects.
นี้
Okay, now let's go to example number 2. Okay, we have here this example. Okay, and I prepared these flowers and what is this? You know what is this? Flowers and leaves. I'm preparing here flowers and leaves. So look at this one. Let's check how many flowers we have in here and how many leaves we have in here. Okay. Okay, I prepared this one. Just a minute. So we will count all together so we can know the answer. Okay. You need to keep practice counting. Okay. Now it's ready. Are you ready to count? Courage. You answer your book, Courage, now, okay? Girl?
7
ไหน number 7
Look at this one. Let us first count the flowers. Okay, let us first count the flowers.
1 2
Okay, ready?
4 5
1.
6
Count
7
with me. 1,
เอ็ด
2,
เอ็ด number 8
1 2
อ่า
3, 4,
5
5,
6
6,
7
7. Very good. So we have 7 flowers in our screen. Okay, so where's the number 7 here? You know where's the number 7, right? Okay, so we have here, first choice is 2.
5
So this is wrong. So we have to go to the next. This is number 7, right? So number 7, you have to, this is the correct answer. So all you have to do is to mark X the number 7. Okay? You have to mark X the correct answer. Okay? Okay, bye bye. Are you answering all your book? Are you answering your book now? You just have to do like this, okay? And now let's go to the leaves. Let us count the leaves all together. Can you help me count? Okay, very good. Bye bye, very good. Okay, Kemsai. To answer it, Kemsai, okay? Hey, Chan. Okay, now let's count the leaves. Okay, let us count. Okay, 1. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, Shade. So we have 8 leaves. So we have here 3 numbers. Okay, we can choose. Where is the number 8 in here? You know already where is the number 8, right? You can tell me what is the number is. So we have here number 4, which is wrong. Number 8, which is wrong. And the number 8 is here. So you need to mark X the number 8. Okay? Okay, now let us count all together. The flowers and the leaves. Count them all, okay? All together. And we have here, I put her 3 choices. Okay. So can you help me count how many we have total flowers and leaves? Okay? Help me count. Okay? Let us count. Let us enjoy counting. Let us enjoy counting, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? So we have here total 15 flowers and leaves. So all you have to do is to choose and find the number 15 here. Where is the number 15 in here? You know already? You know already? Look at your book. Just do the same as like this, okay? This is exactly mostly the same in your book. So this is number 12, which is wrong, right? And we have here this number. This is number 10, also wrong. And this is number 8. We have here number 15. Okay, so you need to mark X the number 15, okay? Number 15, mark X the number 15. Okay, just like that.
Yeah.
Okay, now, okay, we still have, okay, we have this last example. We have this last example. We have apple, orange, and banana. Okay, so we will do this more faster, okay? Because we are almost, our time is almost up. So I will put this one here like that. So, okay, I will make this more faster, okay? Because our time is almost up. Okay. Now it's ready, okay? So we have to count. We have to count how many apple we have in here. I will help you count, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 apples. So the correct answer in here is number 4. So you need to mark X the correct answer. And then the next is orange. So we need to count how many orange we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes.
Yeah.
We have 7. So you need to find the 7 and mark X. Okay. And then let's go to banana. We have how many banana here?
Yeah.
3 bananas. So 1, 2, 3. So the correct answer is 3. So you need to mark X the number 3. So we will count all together. And we have 3. I put here 3 choices. Okay. Put here 3 choices. And then
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
and then let's count. Let's count
12,
all
13,
together. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 fruits all together, okay? So you need to find the 14 here, and then you need to mark X, okay? So So this is all for today because we are already our time is already up. Okay, so I hope you can answer. You can answer your worksheet, your book. Okay. I hope you can answer your book, and I want to say thank you, and I'll see you in our science. Okay. Thank you so much, Aki1. Aki2. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Science. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
I love
Thank you.
you. See
I
you in
love you.
science, okay? In our science.
ใช่ไหม
See you science.
Okay, bye.
จบครับต่อไปอะไรเนี่ยวันนี้วันอะไรวันศุกร์
Okay.
ถ้าจะไปอะไรตะลูตะ
ดูแต่